Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for listening to my presentation. I will introduce myself. My name is Aufa Irfan Fais. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. I compiled this paper together with Mr. Uki Yudatama, and Mrs. Adin Brahmadevi. I will explain my presentation about expert system using stunting vectors of stunting nutrition disorder in toddlers, a proposed concept. Problem background. Stunting is a growth and development disorder that usually occurs in toddlers due to malnutrition, which is characterized by a child's weight that is not ideal or tends to be shorter than children's age. Most people in Indonesia are not aware of the symptoms of stunting. Previous research examined the creation of an expert system to detect the nutritional intake received by children so that it did not interfere with children's growth, with the result of consultation or on nutritional disease in children under 5, showing a confidence level of 0.89 or 89%. Another previous study examines stunting with a focus on the problem of designing an electronic device for stunting clinical application, with the result of measuring the degree of certainty reaching 0.9999. Next slide. Purpose. This is due to a lack of understanding and knowledge, so that a system is needed that can help provide information about this. An expert system is a system that can take advantage of the role of expert in providing information so that this system can solve the problem. Next slide. Solution model. The study proposed the design of an expert system for stunting nutritional disorder in toddlers by using a certainty factor that can give confidence to user. Benefit. It is hoped that the result of this study can make it easier for the community to detect stunting symptoms early, so that stunting in toddlers can be reduced to a minimum. Solution model. The study proposed the design of an expert system for stunting nutritional disorder in toddlers by using a certainty factor that can give confidence to users. Benefit. It is hoped that the result of this study can make it easier for the community to detect stunting symptoms early, so that stunting in toddlers can be reduced to a minimum. Type of nutritional disorder. The code is P01, and the disease is short core nutrition. And P02 is marasmus, energy. P03 is marasmus, kwashiorkor combined. And P04 is beriberi, vitamin P1 deficiency. And P05 is profuse vitamin C deficiency. And P06 is anemia iron deficiency. And it is the symptoms of each disease. The result of the identification of stunting symptoms and disease nutritional disorder will be used for the calculation process using the Stunting vector method. Calculation of certainty vector. The use of data processing methods in artificial intelligence is very much. In this case, there are several methods that have been used in previous research. For example, the bullet chaining method, which is a method that reads data values from the smallest to the large values in previous studies, used symptoms reading of stunting. The next research is to detect symptoms by using the Stunting vector method to calculate the degree of stunting. This is calculated from the measurement of the probability of toddlers with stunting with the total number of toddlers in certain areas with certain symptom classification, which can be calculated with certainty vector degree of certainty. The first possibility is to calculate the degree of certainty of very severe by a toddler with a total of 11 children under 5. 4 out of 5 people have symptoms of breath, shortness of breath, and the calculation is calculated by comparing symptoms that resemble the disease with the probability of suffering from the disease according to toddler data. The second possibility is to calculate the degree of certainty of supervisor by toddler total with a total of 11 children record under 5. 5 of 6 people have symptoms of loss of appetite. The calculation is calculated by comparing symptoms that resemble the disease with the probability of suffering from the disease according to toddler data. Okay, maybe that's enough from my presentation. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.